Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Farhan Khan and you are watching Our Let's Speak. Today in this video I am going to share my journey how I learned English. If you are a beginner student or afraid of speaking English, then this video is for you. When I started learning English, I was also afraid I made a lot of mistakes and people laugh at me, even my friend. But I didn't give up because I know very well one day the day will come when I'll speak English fluently. Now you can see today I can speak English confidently. So guys, watch this video till end because this video can help you a lot. First, my problem with my English. When I was a student, I could not speak English. I knew grammar rules, I passed exams, but when if anyone spoke English in front of me, that time I became silent. I don't know why. I was thinking, what I thinking? What if my English is wrong? What if people laugh? What if I make mistakes? This fear stopped me for a long time. You know what I did? I accepted my mistake too. Point number two. The first and the most important step was I accepted my mistakes and I understood one thing. If I don't mistake, I will never learn. So I decided I will speak English. I will speak English even if it is wrong, even if people laugh. And slowly, my fear start going away. And the third thing, what I did, daily speaking practice. This is the very most important rule to learn English. I started speaking English not for 1 hour and 2 hours, just 10 to 15 minutes, but daily with consistency. I spoke in front of mirror, in front of camera, even in front of my close friend. And whatever comes in my mind, I just speak in front of people. And most of the time, I used to go on terrace and speak to myself. Sometimes with my mirror, and sometimes with camera. And sometimes I shoot my video. It is very helpful. After shooting my video, I just watch all things where I make mistake. So I note down whatever I made mistake on that video. So it is very helpful. Now you can also use this. You can also apply in your journey to learn English. And I also speak about my daily routine like I wake up early in the morning, I go to school, I take a bath, I eat breakfast, I eat dinner, I play with my friend, I study this topic, that topic, etc. etc. This habit changed my confidence. Remember, consistency is more important than perfection. And fourth, what I did, I listened more than I spoke. कहते हैं ना, अगर आपको अच्छा बोलने वाला बनना है तो आपको अच्छा सुनने वाला बनना पड़ेगा. तो ज्यादा सुनिए और कम बोलिए. ज्यादा सुनेंगे, बोलना अच्छे से सीखेंगे. I listened to English videos, English conversation, and English podcast, English teachers on YouTube, and many platforms. Nowadays, many platforms they provide a lot of millions of videos where you can watch and you can learn with technique. शेडो टेक्निक क्या होती है कि जैसे हम कोई वीडियो देख रहे हैं उसमें वो बंदा जो भी चीज जो भी सेंटेंस बोलता है हम उसको रिपीट करते हैं. इससे फ्लुएंसी बहुत इंक्रीज होती है और बेटर होती है और कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डअप होता है. मैंने बहुत किया. Sometimes and I didn't understand everything but I listened daily. I didn't skip any one day. Sometimes होता है ना कि हम जो देखते हैं समझ नहीं आता बट मैं देखता था. And what happened? Slowly, my brain started to catching words, understanding sentences and improving pronunciation. That is very helpful. That's why I say listening is the key of speaking. And next, you know what I did? I learned daily uses sentences. It is very helpful. It was very helpful. I did not start with big grammar rules. I learned daily uses sentences, classroom English, common conversation. Example, can you repeat please? May I come in? Let's play cricket. Come again? I didn't understand. Small sentences made a big difference. And the last what I did, I stopped translating. Earlier, I translated each and everything Hindi to English. That's why it takes so much time. If I wanted to say something, it took so much time. What happened? I think in Hindi, second I translate Hindi, third I spoke. That's why. So that's why later I tried to think in English. So no need to translation. Think in English, very simple word. Speak naturally. Even broken English is it's okay. Just speak because fluency comes slowly. तो टूटी फूटी ही आइए बोलिए धीरे धीरे स्लोली स्लोली फ्लुएंसी भी आएगी और इम्प्रूवमेंट भी आएगा. So that's why I say if I can learn how to speak English, then why can't you? Don't wait for perfection. Just start today. Start small, be confident. If this video helped you, like this video, comment in this video and share to your all friends. And subscribe to my channel because on this channel I teach simple English speaking for beginner, student or whatever you are. So guys, ये था हमारा आज एक छोटा सा वीडियो जिसमें हमने अपनी जर्नी को यहाँ पे शेयर किया. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक और शेयर जरूर कर दें. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ. अगर आपको कोई अच्छी सी टॉपिक चाहिए कमेंट में लिखकर शेयर कर दें. उस टॉपिक पे हमारी पूरी कोशिश होगी वीडियो बनाने की. तो हमेशा की तरह पढ़ते रहिए, लिखते रहिए, सीखते रहिए एंड स्टे कनेक्टेड विद लेट्स स्पीक.